Guys, to begin the code, first you have to import the two required models, that is string and random. Guys, then we have to make 4 different sets of groups of characters, that is the lowercase, uppercase, digit and punctuation symbol. Guys, so we can make the 4 different sets as the same way I have shown on my screen. Guys, then we have to make one list in which you have to extend all of these 4 different character lists. Alright. So first you will make an empty list like this, and then we are going to extend the list of all the 4 different types of character sets. Guys, now we have made the all characters list. Alright, now we are going to actually make the function that will generate for us the unique strong password. So let me show you how can we make that. So here we have made the function and we are just going to call it for now. As you guys can see here, I have called the function. Okay, now what we are going to do inside the function is that every time the function runs, we are going to shuffle the all characters list. So what it will do is it will give us a new and unique list to work out with each and every time. So let us shuffle the list by using the random.shuffle function. Guys, so once we have shuffled the list, now we have to make another variable called generated password. So guys, here you have to make an f string, then you have to say dot join, then you have to join it with the random sampled element, that is the unique password. So you have to join it with the random.sample and you have to sample from the all password character. Guys, but we need to give it one more argument, that is the number of characters to sample, that is the length of the password. Well, how will we get it? We can take an input from the user. So inside the function, what we can do is we can just say, alright, we are going to do this. And before this, we are just going to print an empty print function. That means it will print out a new line for us. Alright. Then we will also print out a new line after this. Okay guys, now what you need to do is you have to add the password length input here as the second parameter. Guys, now finally what we can do is we can just print out our one-time generated password is our generated variable. That is the generated password variable. Then you are going to just give the parameter of generated password here. And then we are going to print a new line simply so that we add some spacing and we are going to do this. Okay. Guys, now we can also add this function into a while loop. So it will automatically keep on running and keep asking us for the input. So guys, our program is ready to be tested. As you guys can see, it is asking me for the password length as input. So I'll give as 12 characters. Here you can see it means it has generated a 12 character password for me and it is very strong and encrypted. Now if I, for example, if I give 8 characters, it will generate me a password that is 8 characters long. But as you guys can see here, it is generating all random and unique passwords. So it is very strong and very difficult to crack through. So guys, that wraps up our video for today. And if you want to see more of such interesting videos, then you can make sure to subscribe, like and share. And if you want to see more of such regular updates, then you can follow me on my Instagram. So till then, bye and have a good day.